The VEVOR 881170A15 Throttle Control is specifically designed for Mercury PT two-stroke outboard engines, boasting a robust construction featuring an aluminum alloy interior and a die-cast aluminum housing for enhanced durability. It offers seamless operation with an adjustable throttle lever and a low-temperature start air-fuel ratio adjustment, ensuring smooth performance even in extreme conditions. The control box is equipped with a power balancing and tilt switch, allowing for easy engine angle adjustment to prevent prolonged water immersion. Safety is prioritized with a lanyard that provides an emergency stop feature, ensuring the yacht halts automatically if the driver unexpectedly leaves the helm. This throttle control comes with an extended wiring harness spanning 16.3 feet, which is crafted from durable thermoplastic insulation for long-lasting use. Installation is straightforward, requiring only the disconnection of power and cables after turning off the ignition and removing the key.